In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop auto-forwarding Gmail. If messages are unexpectedly showing up in another inbox, or you simply don't want copies sent anywhere else anymore, I'll walk you through the two places in Gmail where forwarding can be turned on, and how to switch it off cleanly. First, we'll stop account-wide forwarding. Open Gmail in a web browser on a computer. The mobile app won't show the forwarding controls you need. In the top right, click the Settings gear, then choose See All Settings. At the top, find the tab labeled Forwarding and POP IMAP. In the Forwarding section, select Disable Forwarding. Don't skip the last step. Scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Without saving, Gmail will keep your old setting. If you see an address listed in the forwarding area, you can also remove it using the drop-down or remove option next to it. That's a thorough way to make sure nothing is pointed to that destination anymore. After this, new incoming mail won't be forwarded globally. Next, check for forwarding created by filters. Filters are rules that can forward only certain messages, like those from a specific sender or with a keyword. Still in Gmail on the web, go back to Settings and choose See All Settings. Click the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. You'll see a list of your filters. Look for any that include the action, forward it to, and then an address. When you find one you no longer want, click Delete next to it and confirm. Removing those filters stops just those targeted forwarding rules while leaving your other filters intact. A few quick notes as you wrap up. These settings are easiest to manage from a desktop browser, not the mobile app. If forwarding seems to continue after you've made changes, revisit both the Forwarding and POP IMAP tab and the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. It's common for forwarding to be active in one place, even if you've turned it off in the other. Also, if you use a work or school account, your organization might enforce forwarding policies. In that case, you may need help from your administrator to fully turn off forwarding. That's it. By disabling the global forwarding setting and removing any filter-based rules, you'll stop Gmail from sending your messages anywhere else. Take a moment to review your settings, save your changes, and you'll be back to keeping mail where it belongs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you regain control of your inbox.